Welcome to my cooking channel, Ashwini Tarkar's cookbook. Let's get started with today's recipe. Let us make Vadiyo kismur or Ashgourd fryums salad today. The Vadiyo or the Ashgourd fryums are made from Ashgourd, urad dal and spices. They are sun dried and stored in a container for the year. We will use only 6 pieces to make today's recipe. We will fry this in coconut oil. Take 1.5 tablespoon and on low flame fry the fryums till they are golden so that it gets fried till deep inside. Otherwise the outer part will be fried and the inner part will remain dry. So drain these and cool. The remaining oil can be used for any vegetable or coconut curry. Now these have to be pounded lightly when cool. So when it is slightly warm only you can pound it. Don't wait till it is entirely cool. Pound lightly. We need it coarse powder like this. Now chop half onion finely. You can take a smaller onion as well. This salad it is raw, so you need half cup fresh coconut and add the chopped onion to it. To this we will add the pounded vadiyo. Now add tamarind pulp 1 tablespoon. I had soaked it earlier. Add quarter teaspoon turmeric, quarter teaspoon chili powder, salt to taste. The vadiyo also will have salt, so add sparingly. You can even add later if it is less. Mix well and crush while mixing so that all the flavors blend together well. If you want to keep it for a long time, you can saute the onion and coconut. This is very less quantity, so we will consume in for lunch, so I have not sauteed it. Now transfer it to a serving bowl. You can serve this with sol curry rice or dal rice or any coconut curry and rice. This is a salad, a side dish, so goes well with coconut curry and rice. Happy cooking! Thank you for watching. If you have liked my recipe, subscribe, like and share it with someone who loves cooking. See you in the next video.